how to delete Facebook Lite account permanently. On this process, firstly you'll have to open your account on Facebook Lite app. So simply you have to open it. And now after you open the your Facebook account on the Facebook Lite, you'll have to click on the three lines just at the top right corner of the screen. And now from here, you will have to scroll down and go with the option setting and privacy. And now from here, you will have to go with settings. Okay, so from here, you will have to tap on the account center. And all the way, you will have to go with the sections personal details. So simply tap on the personal details. And here you got the options like account ownership and control. So simply tap on this. All right, so now on this, you will got options like deactivation or deletion. So simply to delete the account, you will have to go with this option. Okay, so choose the Facebook account. And now here you got two options like deleting your Facebook account temporarily or deleting your Facebook account permanently. So to delete the Facebook account permanently, you will have to choose the second one. And now from here, you will have to click on this continue. Okay, so from here you'll have to choose one condition here, like you can choose any one of these. So after you choose this, you'll have to click on this continue option, and from there you'll be able to delete your Facebook account Lite permanently. So if you find this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial for you. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.